Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to take a look at best straps available for the Oppo Watch. So we're going to look at silicone, metal and Velcro straps. We'll be putting that on the watch and then see how it actually looks like. So let's get started. Let's put the straps first and then talk more about it. Okay, so these are the straps that I got for the Oppo Watch. So I have a metal one. So this is completely made of metal and chain and magnet and all that different technology. I have the Velcro one. So this is plastic and cloth and Velcro. And then you have your regular silicone ones, which you already get with the Oppo Watch. But this one is a little different. This is more of an Apple style one. So I like these kind instead of the one that actually comes with the Oppo Watch. I am not a big fan of this strap. So let's see how it actually looks like. So first of all, let's see how to remove the strap. So you have these two buttons over here, this one and this one. So you just have to press into it. So if you have nails, it's easy. But people who don't have nails, it will be a little difficult, like me. But okay, I managed. So this is how it is. So these are really different straps. So you have hooks like this, which goes into the watch. So you cannot just replace it with any aftermarket one. You have to get specialized one just for this. So this is a 56 millimeter one. So the regular ones are like maybe 30 20 to somewhere around 48 ish. This is actually quite big. So anyways, let's try this one first. So all you have to do is just place it over the hole and then just push it in and it's done. Now let's put the other one and it's done. So that's how the strap will look like. Let's see how it looks like on the hand. Okay, so that's how it looks. So very good. I like the quality of this. Very good. This is the best part. So this one is the Apple style one. It's not the one that you get with the Oppo Watch. So this one is much easier to put, and I feel that this is more secure, where I don't have to keep pulling this up and down. So ideally you just get one with the watch, the other one is in the box in case this breaks. I actually put two because I'm not very happy with the way the straps are. I keep thinking that it's going to slip off. So this is how it looks like. Let's test the quality of the strap. Let's do the bend test. Okay, so it does go white. Now once we leave it, it should go back to normal color. There should not be any trace of whiteness on it. Okay, you see no trace. So the quality of this is really nice. Now let's go to the other one. Let's remove this strap. Velcro. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one you put, this one or that one, wherever. The only thing you have to remember is the hook should be pointing upwards. So I'll just put it over here like that and it's done. Now over here like this and it's done. Okay, I actually like this one. It feels more secure. Okay, so one more thing is, if you try pulling it out completely, it will not, it will lock there. That's a good thing. So I don't have to be worried about this one falling while I'm putting it on the hand. Okay, much easier to wear it though. So it's going to be easy for me to tighten the strap in the gym or loosen it, because this is going to be quite easy to just do this instead of just opening the hook and then putting it in. So I like that part. I do feel that this portion is protruding out a little, but I think it's just personal preference. I would like this to be a little more sleeker. This doesn't look that great to me because the watch itself is very elegant, looks great, but this part not a big fan. But anyway, the Velcro is good, the quality is good, and it is quite stretchable. So once I use it for some time, I'll know how good this is going to be with the skin. I'll put that in comment. If I get any irritation or anything, I'll put that. So this is the other kind. Now let's try the last one, the metal one. So let's remove this. same way, just press the button, pull this out, press the button, pull this out. Now the metal, okay, this all feels quite good, quite premium. Now that looks a little more better. Okay, let's wear that. I don't think this is going to be for the gym, but really nice quality. Okay, so the quality is quite good. Actually, I'm surprised that this is not irritating me. I thought the corners will be a little sharp, or maybe it will maybe rub against my skin a little bit, but it's quite comfortable. Actually, I can't even feel that it's there. So very good. I can the same way I can actually this is going to be easier for me to tighten or loosen the watch strap. So very good quality. Let me see one more thing, whether it just comes off. Okay, very strong magnet, I must say. Okay, so this won't come out from here. Oh, it does come out, sorry. So this one does come out, but then because of the magnet, I don't think this is going to come out that easily, because it keeps sticking to the surface. So really good. This I did not like. So this is already out. So the gum of this one was not that great. You might want to stick it back again, but that is just to save the body, so that it does not scratch on the body, because the magnet is completely stuck to this. So this is just a surface one, so it's okay, but did not expect that to come off that easily. So good, but I won't use this as a daily wear. I will use this as a like when I'm going out for partying and stuff, or maybe some formals clothing and stuff. Okay, so now let's talk about which one should you actually get. Now by default, my favorite will always be a silicone one, because no matter how much I use it, how wet it gets, whatever happens to it, it's washable and it just dries off immediately. Now the metal one is not meant for gym and all. This is like when you're going to work, when you're going out partying and all those kind of things, then this will look better. The Velcro one is a more active kind of a one, where you don't have to worry about how tight or how loose you have to keep it. Like when you go to the gym, you have to have the strap a little tightened, so that the heart rate monitor actually gets your heart rate properly and the activity is tracked properly. So this is going to help in that. But since it's Velcro, since it's cloth, nylon and stuff, so this will soak in a lot of your sweat and water and everything when you wash it. So you have to be careful of that this will give you irritation if you don't clean it properly. So if you're using it for the gym, make sure once you come back, wash this properly, so your sweat does not remain and you don't get irritated. So I like this. The only thing I don't like about this is that this entire thing is plastic, and I am not sure how long will it last. Like if it gets pulled from here, what if this comes off and it falls? Even though this part is secure, and the Velcro part I actually like. They have actually put 5 Velcros over here, so the fit is good, the security is good. The only problem I have is with the plastic part. I would like that. I mean, if it was metal, I would have liked that. Plastic, I'm not very keen about, but the best option would be this, the complete silicone one. Now the one thing I noticed was that this is one piece metal which is inside, so it's not like one over here, one over here, and it won't come off individually. I tried bending it and then I found out that this is quite strong. So I would like this more for my regular day-to-day usage, maybe this for the gym and this for partying and stuff. So there are 3 different kinds. It depends on you which one do you like and where are you going to use your watch. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.